always like when I get two identical machines. Two machines that are, bar the serial number printed on them, basically identical. These are the two 1436A's. One of them, this one, is mine. One of them, this one, is not mine. We're going to have a look at both of them and see how they turned out. Yes, hello my vacuum cleaner chums. Oh, dear me. How are you today? Yes, this is Mr. James's 1436A that I wasn't really expecting. All he said was, you know, I'm sending you a junior, can you tidy it up for me? And here it is, looking very tidy indeed. The handle still had a little bit of paint loss. He said he wasn't too bothered about that. He said he actually didn't want it mintering up at all. He just wanted it tidied up so it could sit there and look quite pretty. And obviously my idea of a quick tidy up is it's as quick to just have it all apart, wash it, put it back together. So that's what I did. The hood was in good condition anyway. Underneath, the brush rolls had a repaint. Everything is quite nice. The bag has a nice SIBO bag fitted. It's all very washed and very lovely indeed. It also sounds pretty good as well. One of the brush roll retaining springs might be a little bit worn. Might have a second look at that, but it's okay. And yeah, that's pretty cool. But obviously part of doing junior week was that I'm doing all of the juniors, and this is mine. This is how my one came out. If you remember how faded and yellowed it was before, this is it now after being retro-brighted. I did both, so both look absolutely stunning indeed. And this one is pretty much identical to that one. It's got better paint here on the handle, but then more of a worn handle bail. In fact, actually Mr. James is also, point to notice, now fixed. I had a decent used handle bail, and this was the problem with it. That should be the first step there. And that's why, if you're a junior that just has a wonky handle, that is worn. That one's fairly worn. That one's definitely worn. You can notch them back, but then your handle will develop a bit of a natural lean before it hits the stop of the bail. And yes, mine is pretty much identical. I found it a cable in actually my spares junior box, and look, it had a beautiful, and I haven't refurbished it yet, I'll do it on another machine, look, nettle plug. Very nice plug, fully suits the machine. I think you'll agree. Yeah, mine has a painted brush roll. I've used mine a little bit more. Mine has a painted brush roll and a SIBO bag, and literally identical in every single way. Probably even sounds the same as well. Yep. Very nice indeed. I'm sure Hoover have made commercial cleaners where they just strapped two normal uprights together with one unique handle to do that with. My goodness, it pounds the carpet. Talking of pounding the carpet, well yes, they do now. Beats as they sweep, as they clean. And of course it isn't just a short pile either. If I put the height control into its maximum setting, it might be too much actually. We'll see how it copes on a deeper pile. Fantastic. Two very well sorted Hoover Juniors. Oh, they are leaving a bit. I'm using, what am I using here? I'm using couscous, and I think it's just a bit too heavy to go up these. I mean, as nice as they are, you know, they do lack actual suction. They just rely on the dirt being light enough to be whisked away. And they do that very well indeed. So, having never seen this colour in real life before, I now own one, have had the pleasure of two, and I've had the pleasure of showing them all, well, both to you as well. So, a fantastic, well, this is my start to junior week. These are the first two I've done. Don't know if these will be the first two that I put the videos up of, but yeah, turns out that you can make a scrappy old Hoover Hoover into an almost out-of-the-box experience. So, there we go. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And I, and at least my Hoover Junior, will see you soon. Bye-bye.